Hi, today I'm going to show you some Temu coupon codes. Now, this is the best possible code you can get for Temu, and all you have to do is enter in this code, or you just have to go to the link in the description. I will also flash the link on the screen right now, and you can just type in this link to get a free Temu coupon code. Now you can see the way we can get this coupon code is by scanning this QR code to download our Temu app from the Google Play Store or the Google App Store. And you can see even without this coupon code, you can see it'll always be here, right here. And there'll be a couple of discounted item that we can shop for as well, like soft cover for Nintendo Switch. As you can see, it's discounted right there. A smart video doorbell, you can see discounted right there as well. A mini projector, discounted again. A sports smartware, again, it's a pretty cheap price as well, $1 cheaper than viewed. Pro K3 foldable quadcopter, again, discounted price. And you can see the coupon bundle will always remain down here and also up here as well. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.